Hi everyone! Today I'm going to share with you a recipe for an old school dessert of green bean and sweet potato soup. I like to use a lot of pandan leaves because it adds a lot of aroma and flavor to the dessert, and I also favor the use of brown sugar. If you use green beans that you have not soaked overnight, it will take you about an hour to cook them. Soaking the green beans overnight should halve the cooking time. You can vary the amount of water used and sugar used to suit your own preference. If you like your green bean soup to be a bit more watery, you can use more water, and if you like it a bit thicker, use less water. While the green beans are boiling, you can cook the sago. A problem that some home cooks face when cooking sago pearls is the white core left in the pearls after cooking. To solve this problem, boil the sago for 15 minutes uncovered. After that, turn off the heat and cover, letting the sago pearls cook in the residual heat for another 15 to 20 minutes. This should be sufficient to ensure that you don't find the center of the sago pearls uncooked. Use a sieve to strain the sago, discard the cooking liquid, rinse it under running water, and after that you're going to be soaking this sago pearls in iced water. The iced water arrests the cooking process of the sago pearls and also gives it a chewier texture. After the green beans have been cooking for 45 minutes, you can add in the brown sugar slabs. I choose to add in 1 more tablespoon of loose brown sugar for extra flavor and sweetness, and also a pinch of salt. Give the mixture a slight stir, and you can proceed to add in your sweet potatoes. When working with sweet potatoes, remember to keep them soaked in water after you have peeled them. This prevents them from oxidizing. Allow the sweet potatoes to cook in the soup for about 7 to 10 minutes, and once they are done, you can add in your sago pearls, bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, and you're all ready to enjoy this very old school dessert of green bean and sweet potato soup. Hope you enjoyed this recipe, and for the latest in food and entertainment news, go to tnp.sg/lifestyle.